Hi friends, once again back with our travel vlog, and today we will be talking with you about Rourkela with Cuttack, which is the second largest city in Indian state of Odisha. Cuttack is known as the Millennium City as well as the Silver City due to its history of 1000 years and famous silver filigree works. The city is categorized as a Tier 2 city as per the ranking system used by Government of Odisha. So, without wasting much time, let's go around and find out what Cuttack is actually all about. Being an important travel destination, Cuttack is well connected to other major cities of the country by air, road and rail. Bhubaneswar's Biju Patnaik Airport is the nearest airport to Cuttack. The bus terminus of Cuttack is located at Badambari, from where thousands of private and government buses travel to hundreds of destinations every day. And the Cuttack Junction connects the city to all other major cities of India. If you are planning to visit Cuttack, then there is a variety of options for you to stay at Cuttack. From government hotels to eco-tour nature camps and homestays are available here. And if your budget is a bit higher, then there is a several star-rated hotels. To know more about the hotels in Cuttack, connect with us at this phone number given below and let us guide you towards the best. So let's talk about some of the city's most popular tourist attractions. So here is the first one. Mahanadi Barrage, which is across the river of Mahanadi. It connects Cuttack town with the north side of the river. The second one is Dhableshwar Temple, which is located in an island on the river Mahanadi, around 27 km from Cuttack. The third one is Cuttack Chandi Temple. It is an ancient temple dedicated to the goddess Chandi. The temple is located nearby the bank of Mahanadi river, and it is famous for the annual Durga Puja and Kali Puja festivals. And the next one is Baravati Fort, which is well known fort with carved gateway. It is about 8 km away from the city, and it is a 14th century fort built during the Ganga dynasty. The fort is situated on the river Mahanadi, and if you want to get in, then there should be a entry fees of rupees 1 per head for Indians and rupees 10 per head for foreigners. Then comes to Simhanath Temple, which is located along the bank of the river Mahanadi. The temple offers spiritual and mental well-being. The temple is an example of amazing Kalinga architecture. There is also a deer park and many wildlife sanctuaries. We will definitely recommend anyone visiting Cuttack to visit these places. Cuttack is famous for its Durga Puja, which is one of the most important festivals of Odisha. After visiting these places, we are suggesting you to visit Rourkela, which is a planned city and also known as the industrial capital of Odisha. You may easily travel by local bus to visit these places, and if your budget is higher than usual, then you can book a cab for yourself. If you visit there, then don't miss the mouth-watering food dahi bada and aludam, which is very famous here. And if you have planned for shopping here, then we are suggesting you to not to shopping at the night because there is no scene of market after 10 p.m. You can shop at the daytime. You can easily buy some filigree works and design textiles, which is very famous in the city, and you can get these things easily in the VIP market. So hope you will like our video a lot, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and do wait for our next video. Thank you guys.